Okay everyone, it is now time to go back on the water slides here on Perfect Day at Coco Cay. What is up everybody, welcome back to another Navigator of the Seas vlog. This is Coco Cay, stop 1, part 2. Again, as of right now, we are going to go on the water slides at Perfect Day Coco Cay. Well, alright everyone, hopefully you guys enjoyed those water slides. We are now leaving the Thrill Water Park and going to be heading back on the Navigator of the Seas. What's up everybody? We made it back on board now and we are going to be heading to the helipad now. We're going to be taking a look at Mariner of the Seas and Navigator of the Seas. Alright everyone, I'm sorry I didn't get any shots of me on the helipad because it was so windy. It was hard to film, especially with this microphone on here. You would have heard a whole time. But anyway guys, we're going to go ahead to probably the Diamond Lounge tonight. Let's do it. Alright everyone, we are here at the Diamond Lounge enjoying some nice drinks and a great atmosphere here in the Diamond Lounge. Alright everyone, well we just had an amazing time at the Diamond Lounge and got some great drinks shared. Anyway, it is now time for dinner on deck 5 on the main dining room. Let's do it. Alright everyone, so for dinner tonight I got the crispy calamari, and also I got roasted beef tenderloin, and for dessert I got the apple pie and the cheesecake. Alright everyone, it is now time to dance the night away! Well, that was a very fun dance party. Anyway, that is it for Navigator of the Seas episode number 3. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Anyway, tomorrow we are in Nassau, Bahamas. I do have no plans to get off on land, but it should be a very exciting day on board the ship. Anyway, hopefully you guys did enjoy our very perfect day at Coco Cay.